Slum test.
Permits. Okay. Pasyente na to si Mr. Cinco.
Okay, Mr. Paul.
Paul Cinco. Okay. Here guys. Guys here.
Sanina siya.
So basically, tandaan nyo rin mo siya na, and then next step is mo siyang ipa-flex. Flex na. Flex. Okay? If at first type na flex sa niya dira is na siya ma-feel nga neurological pain, positive na siya. Step 1 pa lang. Step 2 is this. Like that. Kung taga-pressure, that's step 2 already. Na siya yung pain, feel niya pain. Next is imo siyang i-raise. Okay? Na kay pain na feel, pagyapon. So imo siyang i-flex. Okay? Dorsiflex means not na niya yung sciatic nerve na, di ba? Okay, just like that. Okay.
Dorsiflex.
It's not over. Slump. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Test for education. Neurological. So basically, sigana kung ganito sa pasyente na siya yung feel niya, radiculopathy positive. Step 1 pa lang. How much more in step 5 na sinabi? Okay, that's your slump test. Next is your Lachman. Okay, Lachman guys. Okay, so sa isa na guys, wawag pa nyo dito. Okay, depression. Lachman. Okay, perform Lachman guys.
Ikaw, saka, kasi makamarin ninyo.
Ay, unsa ka gaygan?